How to suppress scientific notation when printing float values. Here's my code. My quotient displays as 1.00000E05. Is there any way to suppress scientific notation and make it display as 0.00001? I'm going to use the result as a string.
But you need to manage precision yourself. For example, will display zeros only. Details are in the docs. Or for Python 3 the equivalent old formatting or the newer style formatting.
Using the newer version .format, also remember to specify how many digit after the dot you wish to display. This depends on how small is the floating number. See this example. As shown above, default is 6 digits. This is not helpful for our case example, so instead we could use something like this. Update. Starting in Python 3.6, this can be simplified with the new formatted string literal, as follows.
With newer versions of Python 2.6 and later, you can use .format to accomplish what at Silent Ghost suggested.
Another option, if you are using pandas and would like to suppress scientific notation for all floats, is to adjust the pandas options.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.